Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how can we listen to podcasts on the Teacher app. So to get started, I'll go to the Teacher app. Now for podcasts, I need to be in the library section, which I already am. Now for the podcasts on the top, I want to go to Chatshala. So I'll go to Chatshala, and as you can see, here I can see a lot of podcasts on different categories over here. Now, you can go into these podcasts to know more about them. For example, I want to go into this podcast which is about जब बच्चे करें शोर. So let me click on it. As you can see, the podcast is getting uploaded. It's getting started. And over here, if I want, I can add comments also. Let's say I've seen it and I want to say it's very good. So I can comment that and it will get added to the comments. See, it has already been added over here. Now, let's say I want to play this podcast. So I'll just press on this red button.
चैटशाला में आपका स्वागत है. यहाँ
Now, as you can see, the podcast got started. To pause or play it, I'll just press in the middle on this button.
सुन सकते हैं
Like
शिक्षा
that.
से जुड़े.
And if I want to increase the volume or reduce the volume, I'll press on this speaker button and it has muted the podcast. Even if I play it right now, I'm not able to hear anything. If I want to go full screen, I'll have to just press on this box over here. And as you can see, I've gone full screen in the podcast. I can increase the volume and I can press the play button.
हैं अपनी कक्षाओं में आने वाली दिक्कतों का
Hear it. Now, if I want to add this to my list so that I can listen to it later, I just have to press अपने लक्ष्य में जोड़े. Or if I want to access the podcast even after I've switched off the internet, I can just press the पूरा download button and it will get added to my downloads. Now to see if I have added it to my list or not, I'll just go back. I'll come to the Lakshya category and over here, as I can see, I've added some podcast to in this Chatshala category. When I click on it, see, I've already added it over here. I can go to this podcast anytime I want. I don't have to keep looking for it again and again. And in the download category also, I can find my podcast once it has been downloaded.